Hello, welcome back. So before we move forward in this lecture, I just want to give you a couple of tips that will help you tremendously as you go through this lecture. The first one is actually both tips are actually up here in this search bar. So the first one is the Solidworks help and the second one is the command. So let's say we are covering a particular subject in Solidworks that you need additional clarification on. So let's say for example we are covering the extrude and you need more explanation on the extrude. So what you can do is type the extrude in that search and click search, and this help bar will come up. And just to let you know, you need to be connected to the internet for this to come up. So this will come up, and now you have all these different options. Creating an extrude feature, you can click on it and it gives you the walkthrough of exactly how to create it. So that's another way to get additional help. And so any subject you are looking for, make sure you are in the Solidworks help and type the subject in there and that option. So if I type in line, and as you can see, different topics about line came up, sketching line, and here you go, you have how to create a line. And the next one is the command option. So with the command selected, let's say there's a command you want to use but you don't know how to find it in Solidworks, we can again type in sketch, and as you can see, the options are coming up for all the features or tools that are under SKE, and you can select the right one. And now Solidworks is telling me to start my sketch. So that is the first tip I want to show you before we move forward. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.